All right, let's do this.
Let's get it. Okay, let's get it. You ready? Get your light. All right, guys. So I know what you're thinking. You clicked on this. You said, I can do that. Or maybe I can't. Guess what? We're gonna do that right now. I'm trying to impress somebody. First time cooking dinner for them. This is what you need right now. Let's go. Let's do it. Smelling these roses I got from my wife for Mother's Day. $4.99. But we ain't got time for that. If you got your box like you were supposed to, you're gonna have some.
What box is this?
The flower box.
What flower box? Check the link in the description box.
Link in the description.
Vegan bacon.
Get your vegan bacon, and you got your vegan king prawn. We're making a vegan fried rice. We use a little cheat code. We're using Trader Joe's fried rice, but we're gonna mix it with this and some broccoli, and it's gonna be off the chain. All right. So first, I'm gonna cut it up a little bit because they're king prawns. They're pretty big, as you can see. All right. Just gonna chop these bad boys up.
How's the texture feel before you cut it? Does it feel like shrimp?
Yeah, it feels like imitation crab meat a little bit.
Oh, it does look like imitation crab.
Yeah. Has a little bit of a fishy smell, but not really. Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little bit.
Would you put a little bit of kelp in the sauce to help it smell?
You know what? I should.
A little bit of fishiness?
I should.
Okay. Yeah, it smells pretty good.
Yeah, it smells pretty good. Yeah. It has a hint of a shrimp smell, but like, it's not overpowering. All right, so what you want to do is, if you have time, you want to marinate. The reason why you want to do that is because you're working with a soy-based product, and that's going to soak up everything that you put it in. So you want to marinate, get the best flavor out of your soy.
Wow.
But we don't have time right now, so what we're going to do is just put a quick mix together, quick marinade mix. It's not going to marinate, but we're going to cook it in the pot. It's going to still get the flavor anyway. Let's do it.
Kelp, why are we putting kelp?
Kelp is I want it to be a little bit more fishy, so the kelp is gonna help with that.
And what is kelp?
It's basically just seaweed. All right, so it's gonna give it a more of a fishy taste. Put some 21 seasoning salute in there.
That's from Trader Joe's.
From Trader Joe's. A little bit of black pepper and some garlic powder. Now, you know how you like to season your stuff, so if you put more seasoning, put more seasoning. If you want to put less, put less. And this is some garlic. All right, I'm just gonna mix that up real quick. It smells good.
It does.
And we already got some butter in the pot. I got melted down, so it looks like it's ready to go. And I already lost the galaxy.
What is this that we're making?
This is the fried rice, but we're gonna get some shrimp.
Shrimp fried rice
with our vegan king prawns from All Vegetarian Inc. I just got it on high heat so I can like quickly get this done into that sizzle.
Yeah. Oh, it smells super fishy. I love that. Oh, you know what? I saw a vegan fish sauce, but I saw it on this Australian website. But I gotta find it. Remember that Thai place we like? Yeah. And they had everything in fish sauce, and we were like, yeah, we can't have that. But yeah, fish sauce is really what gives like so much Thai food all that flavor, you know, and so much Asian food. Yeah. You ready to get that rice in? Yeah. I also put a little just egg in this rice. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. If you really want that Chinese food experience. Just do half of the rice so it gets nice and brown too. Okay. That's good. Yeah. So yeah, it's a quick, easy meal because tonight we're super busy, so we just used the Trader Joe's rice. Yeah. But we also have some leftover rice, and we could have just used that too. We could have used that too, but then we would have to like put the tamari and all that other stuff. Yeah. You know. It doesn't take long to make fried rice, but this is just even quicker. You can obviously do this with leftover rice. Ooh. That looks good. I'm going to toss around some broccoli and also add it to this too as well. It smells amazing. Yeah. Some broccoli I've steamed on the side. I'm going to put a little garlic in here as well. Let's mix that bad boy up. Alright, so now I'm just going to add the rest of the rice that was in that bag to my broccoli. Alright, just mixing that in. Mixing that bad boy in. Well, we're about to try this king prawns for the first time with some fried rice. You try it. Alright. You know what? Very seafoody. Very kelp. That kelp makes a big difference probably. I don't know what prawns are supposed to taste like, but that tastes pretty freaking good.
It tastes pretty seafoody.
I need more.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna check in with you guys on another day. And we're making something else from this all vegetarian ink box. But make sure.
Yo, this shit literally gets better every time I taste it.
They're 2 for 2 right now, man.
That's 2 for 2.
2 for 2.
Make sure y'all check out, what was the other one? Bacon?
The other one is bacon.
Oh man, that's really freaking good.
Yeah, I don't know any seafood that, like vegan seafood that tastes like this, man.
You know, it tastes so high quality. It tastes like something you get at a... Oh, there's our cardinal. Oh, every time.